Hey guys, I'm gonna jump on here real quick. I did a little thing. I had some stickers made, but I also had some bags of dirt made from my favorite places to pan. I have 25 subscribers, and I want to say thank you to my 25 subscribers. As a thank you, I would like to hold a drawing for a bag of dirt. Let's see if you can see that. It's got a picture of my Jeep and gold, of course. So one of the people that I follow, her name is Minor Moss. She made this design for me, and I have some stickers made into it. So the day after tax day, what is tax day? April 15th, I believe. So April 16th, I will have a drawing. Anyone who comments below, they will be put into that drawing April 16th. I will pull one name, and I will mail you a bag of my dirt. I do want to say this. There's no guarantee of dirt. I don't sell pay dirt. I make these for friends from back home, and I made up a few of them actually so that I could give one away. There's going to be some gold in there, but there's not a set amount. And there's also some stones in there from two of my favorite people, Michael and Teresa with MT Treasures SOS. They also do gold and rock hounding. Well, she gave me some stones when we first met. They were polished. So one or two of these bags may have a couple of them in there. They're all sealed up, so I don't know which one now. So if you see some pretty rocks in there, those came from Michael and Teresa with MT Treasures. And again, there's no guarantee of gold, but there is some gold in here, so pan carefully. I just want to say thank you to all 25 of my subscribers. April 16th, I'll draw a name, and I will mail you this bag of dirt. All right, that's all I got for now. Thank you. Hope you guys are out there having fun, enjoying this good weather. I'm in northern Nevada. It's supposed to have been snowing, but we didn't have much of snow, so kind of scares me because that means we're going to have a hot summer. At any rate, you guys have fun. Take care.